Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code using Canva, quick, easy, and without using any third-party websites. First, open up Canva on your phone or computer. From the home page, open a blank canvas. Any size works depending on what you're creating. Now, look towards the bottom or side panel and tap on Apps. This is where all of Canva's tools and integrations live. In the search bar at the top of the Apps section, type QR code. You'll notice multiple options pop up. The first one, called QR Code Generator, is a premium feature and might not be accessible to free users, so we'll skip that. Instead, look for the second option simply titled QR Code, tap on that. Now you'll see a simple box asking you to enter a URL. Type or paste the link you want the QR code to point to, whether it's your website, YouTube channel, Instagram page, or anything else. After pasting the link, tap Generate QR Code. In just a second, Canva will automatically generate the QR code and place it right onto your canvas. You can resize it, move it around, change the background, do whatever you like with it. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and of course, subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this one.